TFRs, temporary flight restrictions. So those are geographic areas that can pop up and flights will be restricted within that area. Perfect example is the Super Bowl. There's going to be a TFR anytime the Super Bowl is at an arena. Also, like when the president is visiting, there's going to be a TFR.
Seasoned 107 pilots that join our group, they become a resource, and so we ask that they also help educate, the members that are newer. But we have some members that show up with their drones in a box. That's happened to us twice, where we help them link up to the controller for the first time, go through all that process, and then we show them how to fly their drone. So